What's up, y'all? Your boy Cody here. We gotta get that license plate on there somehow, back on the front of this. I totaled that car the other day, so we still gotta get that fixed. We're about to go scrap. It's fucking freezing out. We're gonna check our fluids though. We need to put some antifreeze in there. You always want to put antifreeze in if you're putting water and bullshit in your car. You need to put some antifreeze, especially when it gets this cold. Starts to get this cold. I have a front seal leak. That's what took out my oh shit, hold on. The camera's dirty. I don't even think I can get to a shirt. I got bibs and shit on. It's so cold right now. Don't worry, I ain't got no rotten teeth for you to see. Wipe that off real quick. Any better? Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay. I have a front seal leak, so we're gonna check the oil, make sure not low on it or anything. You always want to check your fluids like at least once a week, if you know how to. Oh, I forgot I'm wearing a nice shirt so I could do auctions. I usually keep. Reason I'm looking on there is I usually keep some paper towels or a napkin over there. We're just gonna use our glove right here because we're gonna get them dirty anyways today. We gotta go take that scrap in and go pick the rest of that scrap up with Youngster. I might have to give him these bibs and go pick up my bigger ones. I have thicker Carhartt bibs. I just didn't want to put them on because they're, yeah, we're good on oil. Okay. All right, guys. Now we gotta get this hood shut. What's up, guys? Don't mind that dog in the background. I gotta get him some water and food real quick after this. Hold on, man. Here, man. Here, man. Hold. Here, we go get this asshole some food and water real quick. Go get you. And of course that door's locked. Okay, mission accomplished. Now, back to this. We're gonna have to jack this bad boy up. I really need to shut my truck off if we're gonna be here this long. We gotta get the pressure off this tire in order to get it to take air on. All right. All right, we're gonna go plug this back in now.
I completely forgot I had this.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's right now I don't want to have this on. Because, I mean, yeah, this makes it warmer. Just I don't want to have it on at this very moment.
I got these bibs with me.
Oh, shit.
I got these bibs on here if you need them anyways. I'm about to sell this today. I want to make sure it works.
And you're
We're gonna test this out. I'm selling this for $120 today. I want to make sure it works before I send them to my address. Works. Okay, so here, get on the other side. See if that you can lift that up with you. Here. Get your gloves on. Better another. I don't know if we can lift this or not. It's only box springs and done to it. In fact, I'll come back. What you think? Up. You gotta do it again. Motherfucker. Hold on a second. Let's go back a little bit. I don't think we're gonna pull up that hill, bud. Let my business sit back to you. Oh shit. Yep, that's frozen. What's this other tire looking like? Looking good. We're loaded back up. Let's go. Guys, now we're at the junkyard. They're moving this shit out of the way. What's up, guys? Your boy Cody. We're back here. We're at the junkyard about to drop this load off. They're moving some of this stuff out of the way. This is where you bring your still at. What's up, guys? We're out here to finish this job. We got to get this garbage picked up. We're going to cut these tires up and throw them in a bag. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do with that satellite dish. But I told them I'd get rid of this stuff for them. The TV my friends want, so we got rid of that. We got to pick up the wire, the garbage, the aluminum. He wants to keep those plastic pallets. The wood, I figure he could burn. We'll get the metal wire off that too. And then we got to get the garbage out of here as well. And I was going to keep that battery because I think you can refill it. We'll take the shelf. Can always use shelves down there. There's a couple good squares right there we'll probably take. Yeah, we'll get this garbage picked up in here. Bagged up. Trying to be quick because it's so cold out and I got to get down there and build my kid a room. Get down to the shop and build a room for us to work in the office. What's up, y'all? So, like I told you, look at that. That's money in the box right there. I'm making little daggers and knives with these old horseshoe blades. They're gonna be coming out pretty damn cool, I think. Watch me make a lot of money off that. You will have a chance to win some too if you follow or subscribe. All right, guys. We're gonna go take our aluminum in, and then we gotta come back. I gotta cut those tires up so we can get them in the bag. We gotta pick up the rest of that. I'm gonna take those square black things you see down to my shop so we can put use them for storage, and then we'll be done for the, well, I'm not gonna be done for the day. We gotta get my wood barrel finished and put in. We gotta get all this wire put in the back where all the wire goes. We gotta get all this steel. After we load this, we're gonna load a cooler up that I found, and we're gonna load all the steel into that, and we're gonna go scrap it too. Let's go. What's up, guys? We're here to get the rest of this shit. We're gonna get a garbage bag, throw it all in there, and get the fuck out of here. It's freezing out here. We're gonna grab these two plastic totes and that plastic tote over there. We'll bag this shit up. We're gonna cut these tires up and throw them in a bag. That's what you can do with tires. It's the only way to get rid of them around here. Either that or wait until the thing. And I cut the rims out of them, so I'm gonna take them. I'll bust this satellite up at Mom's. Guys, it's so cold out here. This hose is snapping. Check this out. I don't think it's that hose here. Hold that for a second. Look how cold it is, guys. So cold, damn hoses are snapping out here. It's a water hose. And then we bag it.
You think since this one don't want to break, you'll cut?
Yeah, we'll pick it up.
I've been trying to get...
Yeah, what's up, guys? We're all done. We got everything out of there. I'm not gonna take those because they're chemicals. They're not gonna, the scrapyard ain't gonna take them, and I can't really dispose of them. There's that, all that stuff right there is still good. If you don't want it, I might come back and get it, but for the most part, we're gonna come back and get that barrel sometime, but not today. After all said and done today, I only made like 15 bucks, you know, after paying bills and shit like that. And then that guy was gonna come and to buy that air compressor. He said it wasn't big enough, and I lied about it on the ad. So that's why you never take your ad down until it's sold.
Woo! What's up with it, motherfucker?
Let me know, girl, what you wanna do?
What's up, baby?
You,
Did you miss me?